YouTube, how are you doing? Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is a little bit different. Please ignore my steering wheel. I do racing games, Euro Truck Simulator, so please ignore my steering wheel. Today's video is about how to make a daily sub goal on StreamElements. Right, I've always had this problem. So many people I see on Twitch, because I'm on Twitch. Here's my Twitch. So many people have daily sub goals. They have it at different fonts. It looks all different, and I'm like, I want that. Like, I want that. I don't know how to do it, but I want it. It's not part of an overlay. It's just literally daily sub goal. Anyway, so I figured out how to make one, but it always come up with how many subs I had in total and not start from zero. And I looked at so many YouTube videos, and there was no YouTube video that actually helped me. I asked questions on many of them, and they kept saying just watch the video, and it didn't actually show you how to do it until I figured it out. I researched it one night and I figured out how to do it. And this, guys, this video is going to show you how to do it. Right. Open up your webpage. StreamElements. Obviously, it's important to have this to come up. Go to your dashboard. I will show you mine already. So I can show you that it works. My overlays. I already have it on my StreamElements. So this is what mine looks like here, because I've already done mine and it's already active on my Twitch. So that is mine. You can have yours any color, any font, you know, do whatever you want with yours, but that's mine. You can change the wording. You don't have to have daily sub goal. You can have whatever you like. So let's go back. Let's create a new one. Create new overlay. You know, whichever one suits you. That one suits me. Right, this is the bit. For me, label, I think it's labels. Is it labels? Yep. Goals, sub goal. For me, it was automatically going to go to 0 because I've already changed it. I've already changed the setting, but yours might come up with how many subs you have in total, which is what happened to me. So for instance, if I just say my sub goal is 10, I want it to look simple. So here it says subscriber goal 0/10. And obviously this is where you change it. So this is where I changed it to daily. So that's what I changed it to. Now, yours probably won't say 0. Yours will probably say a number. Mine said a number, and loads of other people have said a number. I looked all over the place to how to figure this out, and I nailed it. Press this little button up here, session data. You go into, obviously these are going to tell you your stats. Everyone's stats are obviously different. These are obviously my stats. You go into here. So you go into goals and you go subscriber goal progression. Make sure you have that on 0 because that one was on the number of subs that I already have. Make sure you change that to 0. As you can see, mine's already on 0 because I've already changed it. Make sure you save. Don't just press the X. Make sure you save. And yeah, guys, that is what will happen. You will get this. Like I said, you can make it as big or as small, as funky as you want. It is yours to play around with. So there you go, guys. Hope this helps you out. If you have any questions, please comment down below. Please smash that like button and subscribe if you're new. And yeah, thank you for watching. Bye.